Hey, welcome in. You're listening to a daily editorial on the Korelin Economics Report. I'm Al Korelin. Appreciate you joining me. Gary Cope, is your microphone on?
Is it on?
Your microphone is on. There we go. Old buddy of mine, golfing buddy, personal friend. We spent Thanksgiving with him a number of times. Spent time in the desert with him, went to his wedding. What more can I say? That shows you that I am very, very biased about the company we're going to talk about right now, Orex Minerals. I'm also an investor in Orex to the tune of, I don't want to say how much, I suppose I could, but close to 5 figures. Orex is a very, very interesting company. Just completed a private placement that I took part in, as did Corey. Also, I believe, took part in the private placement. Private placement was at 50 cents a share. The stock fell off during December with all the tax loss selling, and then came back, and we're trading at about that price right now. What are you going to do with my money?
Well, we're doing a number of things, Al. We just completed. Well, we'll be just completing an acquisition of another company, another public company called Astral Mining. The vote on Astral is January 31st. We are getting with that acquisition 4 different properties, one of which we covet highly in Mexico, in Sinaloa, and looking forward to getting to work on those.
So plans basically have increased for 2013 than where they were perhaps 2 months ago.
Oh, absolutely. With the sale of Orco, we're anticipating a flood of funds coming from Orco towards Orex. We've got some big plans. We're going to spin out our Swedish asset into a new company. Current shareholders will be dividended out shares in the new company, and we're planning on bringing a private company into the fold as well. So there'll be 3 companies dealing in Sweden, British Columbia, and Mexico.
Now, in terms of the shares that your current shareholders, which includes Big Al, are going to receive, what basically is the ratio?
Well, we haven't finally decided on the ratio, but if I had to speculate, it'll be somewhere between 3/4 of a share and a share in the new company.
Pretty interesting situation. I can see right now you're not going to have a whole lot of time to play golf with Big Al and Kathy here in the next few months. You're going to be a busy guy.
My schedule is really busy from now until PDAC for sure.
Well, you've done really, really well with Orco. We did very well on that one, and I appreciate that. I was a shareholder in Orco, I guess I am still a shareholder in Orco, as people are aware, and I am a shareholder in Orex. If you want to get more information on this, I'm not sure how much more we can say right now, but if you want to get more information on Orex, click on their banner on our website, point number 1, and then Gary will be providing us with a news flow in terms of information as it's coming out on what looks like is going to be a very, very interesting, promising situation for shareholders.
Looks very positive, Al. We're very, very excited about what's coming up.
Might get a new set of golf clubs.
You might.
Don't take this as investment advice. It's not. I'm not a registered investment advisor. I'm highly biased. These guys are friends of my family's and mine, and I'm a shareholder, so do your own due diligence. Gary, thanks so much, bud.
Thanks, Al.